Hello. Hey, doing something a little different today. We are doing a cardboard NFT, meaning a digital print from a cardboard piece of art, the one behind me. So I've made a piece of art from cardboard, right? Some people use linen canvases, but other artists use like concrete walls, like Banksy, right? He uses brick and buildings and stuff like that. I clearly like cardboard, so I did mine on cardboard. First ever that I know of. So I like painting, but I also like doing three-dimensional cardboard art. So this is sort of a mix of the two, which was kind of fun, and I thought it'd be a kind of an interesting, cool thing to do. So I'm calling this negative art. And what that means is I've made this art from several other art projects that I've made. And this was the piece that I had underneath when I was painting them. So it's like three or four different projects that I've done, and this was capturing. So it's an interesting idea in that it's nothing on this art was intentional. It's all the negative of the art that I was creating. Interesting concept. So I've made this art, and then we've made a digital print of it, and tried it a couple different ways, but we were able to figure out a way to get it. And so here it is, and this is what it looks like. But that's not all. Since I like cardboard, we decided to make the frame out of a cardboard as well. And that was probably the worst mistake I've ever made in my life because it was a pain. When you work with really long cardboard, right, that you had to get around this piece, it is really hard to fold. So I had to get like some assistance and had to make these really long folds, and that was a pain. Folding it up and gluing it together was a pain, so I had to get more assistance from that. And then we had to connect them up, and I was using some tricky pieces, but I ended up using something, a really simple L bracket, but I made a whole bunch of them, put them together, and then we combined it together. And it finally worked. And then as I was putting it together, I cut one of the sides wrong. Oh my gosh, worst moment of my life. And so I had to make another one. And so finally built them all, connected it up, and built this canvas that I put it in. So this thing is 100% cardboard, and I think that's fun. And in fact, I didn't even paint the outside. I just left it as cardboard because it's cardboard art. Anyway, I like to do obviously like three-dimensional projects, but this is sort of one that I kind of started liking, and I like what I did here. But anyway, put it all together. It's all done and framed. In fact, you can see back here another project that I'm starting to work on. So that's it, and I'm putting it online in the marketplace, and we'll see what happens. But I'm going to send the physical piece to whoever buys the digital NFT. Kind of a unique, different thing, so hopefully it's interesting to somebody and they like it. Thanks.